Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Cubic closest packed structures are really just face-centered cubic. And one thing that we know is that face-centered cubic have 8 tetrahedral holes. So all we have to figure out here is what the ratio of anions to cations is, and that will inform us about how many tetrahedral holes are filled. So for part A, for Na2O, we know that in a face-centered cubic unit cell, you will have 4 of the anion. So we'll have 4 O2 minus. And what we know we need to have is an equal charge balance. So it needs to equal out to 0 on the charge. We also know here that we have 2 sodiums for every oxygen, which means that we therefore have 8 Na plus. 8 over the 8 holes gives you a fraction of 1. For part B, we do the same thing. It's cadmium sulfide, so CdS. We have 4 S2 minus. Therefore, we have 4 CD2 plus, which gives us a fraction of 1/2 because 4 over 8. For part C, you have ZrL4. We have to assume here that L is a -1 charge, or else you start getting into really high oxidation states for zirconia, even though L isn't a real element. So here we have 4L minus. Therefore, you have a 1 ZR4 plus, which gives you 1 over 8 for the fraction.